How to amend tax returns on FreeTaxUSA. Well, in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can easily amend the tax return on FreeTaxUSA. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any other web browser and then head over to the website FreeTaxUSA.com. Once you're in the official site, what you need to do is you need to log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, you need to go to your dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, you need to click on Amend a Return next to the tax year you want to fix. Only returns you filed through FreeTaxUSA can be amended here. Once done, now the next thing you want to do is to review your original return. FreeTaxUSA will load your previously filed return. Take note of what needs changing: income, deductions, credits, or personal information. Once done, make the corrections. Edit this section that need updating. Add or correct income, W-2s, 1099s, or more. You should also correct personal information like name or filing status. FreeTaxUSA automatically adjusts your totals and recalculates your refund or balance due. So, complete the amended form. After editing, FreeTaxUSA generates a Form 1040X, the official amendment form. Follow the prompts carefully. Explain why you're amending the return in the space provided. Once done, file the amended return. E-file if your tax year and corrections allow it. Otherwise, print and mail the 1040X to the IRS. Keep a copy for your records. And if you amended your federal return and also filed state taxes, you may need to amend your state returns separately through FreeTaxUSA's state amendment process. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.